Hello, how is everyone doing? Welcome to my video once again. Today I came across some mangoes. So I was going out and about doing some purchasing. So I thought of taking some chicken. This is called scoring, where you just make incisions on your meat in order to get it to marinate it. After I add some cooking oil on a small tin, some salt, some ginger powder, some chili powder, some turmeric powder. Take a note of the portions. I'll also leave it a description on the description below. After I applied some cumin, garlic, and chicken masala also into that. Secondly, I'm going to sprinkle some lemon on top of the chicken breast ahead of applying the marination. Reasons why: it helps in binding and the spices holding on to sticking to the part that you apply it to when it's slightly wet with the lemon. Then lemon also helps in neutralizing all the spices together to harmonize the flavors. After that, so we're going to apply this. Take our time applying, making sure you reach all the edges, all the sections of the chicken. And I'm going to let this rest for a couple of minutes to let the marination to penetrate the chicken. And for that case, after that, I'm going to prepare a baking tin where I'm going to roast this chicken, and I'm going to add into the baking tin a sliced onion, some garlic, which are still unpeeled, and reasons why I'll show you that later. After that, I'm going to prepare some mango salsa by peeling my mango that I picked from the supermarket earlier. Do make sure that you don't lose too much of it. Also, I'm going to chop some onions. These onions, I'm going to add them into a bowl, and I'm going to follow this up with cilantro. Take a note of how I dice the cilantro into half, then bind it back together. Makes it easier to hold the cilantro together as you chop. Another thing is I'm going to start slicing the mangoes into small pieces, after which I'm going to add in some peeled fresh tomato and also some fresh chili. And also don't forget to sprinkle some salt into this salsa. It's a very good accompaniment to the chicken. And after that, we're going to go check on our chicken. This chicken, I baked the chicken at 220 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. As you can see, I've taken out the onions and the garlic, and I've returned the chicken into the oven just to make it crispy on the top. And at this point, I'm going to plate my food. The plating entirely depends on you and what you think is best for you. Also, I placed some 2 slices of lemon into the baking tin. I think I did that off the camera. And I also prepared some lemon butter sauce, which I can see I'm adding on the chicken. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.